Hi everyone, hope you're all doing great and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be doing a skincare video today, sharing my skincare routine using the products that I bought from Dollar Tree that are obviously $1. Skincare is very important to me and it doesn't mean that I need to spend a ton of money buying high-end products to get a healthy glowing skin. Personally, I tend to reach products that are more available in the over-the-counter, in a drugstore or a grocery store. And sometimes I even try products from Dollar Tree that still works. In my opinion, if it serves the purpose and gives you the same effect without damaging the skin, I'm all good for that. I have a normal to dry skin, so that's what I'm going to be sharing some of the products that I have bought from Dollar Tree that I have liked it and I have incorporated as part of my skincare routine. So let's get started. The first step in my morning skincare routine is to cleanse the face. Starting with a clean face like a canvas is very important before you apply any skin nourishing products to ensure you get the maximum benefit and all the goodness from the product. I've already cleansed my face using this Bolero Cleansing Jelly Facial Balm. It's made with ginseng, vitamin A and aloe. And I really like the consistency of this one. The texture is like the aloe vera gel. It really slides smoothly onto the skin and it's very gentle, and I think this can be used probably by sensitive skin people as well, because it doesn't have much fragrance and it feels very, gentle on the skin and does its job of cleaning the skin. Would highly recommend if you can find this one, grab it. The second step in my skincare routine is applying serum, and I have been using this serum by Skin Nutritions. This is a serum that has 1% of hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. This works fantastic on skin. Generally serums are better than creams as it helps better absorb by the skin. And hyaluronic acid is something leaves your skin moisturized, feel hydrated, and kind of leaves that dewy look. And vitamin C is something that helps you give an even skin tone and hyperpigmentation. And both hyaluronic acid and vitamin C has strong anti-aging properties, so it's going to really help in diminishing some of the fine lines and wrinkles. I really like this product. I've been using it for a while. I'm going to be showing how I really apply this. So I just leave a few drops. So I'm just leaving like 5 drops here. It has a kind of this thick consistency, and a few drops goes a long way. I'm just going to take a little bit of it, just tap it under my eyes, and just pat it onto my entire face. And neck. Neck is an important part of the body. Whenever you're doing facials or any kind of skincare routine, I think you really have to pay some attention to your neck area as well. It has given that kind of dewy, kind of moisturized look. It really feels nice on skin. It glides smoothly. So you gently rub, just so that to ensure it has absorbed all the product onto your skin. If you can see close, as you can see the difference, it has given that kind of moisturized look. So I definitely like this one. If you have not used serums before and if you like to try something on a budget, I think this will be a great product. And if you're wondering that you're seeing some dark circles around my eyes or something, it's because I have a birthmark. I can do nothing about it. I've been living with it, so ignoring that part of it. Otherwise, I think this product does a great job in reducing some fine lines or even pigmentation on my face. So I would highly recommend. And this is something that's been sold in Amazon for more than $6. And I see people leaving comment that, hey, they used to see this product in Dollar Tree, but they were not able to find it. So, they are ordering through Amazon. So, if you could really find this one in Dollar Tree, I would say stock it up. It's that good. The third step is massaging. And I use this jade roller that I bought from Dollar Tree. Jade roller is something that has been traditionally used, by Chinese in their skincare and for medicinal purpose. I've been using it for a while. I really liked it, and some of the benefits of it is it really helps relieve the muscle tension on your face that you might get constantly looking at a computer or on the phone. So it helps relieve some of that and gives a refreshed look. The other thing is also it helps in stimulating the lymphatic system that helps drain out some of the toxins and the waste in your skin. And the other thing is also it helps reduce the puffiness and inflammation on your skin that you might get while waking up from bed in the morning. And it also helps in blood circulation, and that's why normally if you can see with people who are working out or exercising, you could see a kind of a glow on their face after they have worked out. It's because it has stimulated the blood circulation that gives a natural glow to your skin. And finally, it helps the skincare products penetrate deep into your skin, so it can work better. The way I use the Jade roller is I start with the neck. I go from up to down like this a few times. So this is what is going to help in stimulating the lymphatic system. That's going to help in draining out all the toxins and waste from your skin. So I just go like this a few times. And then I also do this under my chin. I think it really helps in reducing the double chin if you might have. And then I just go to my jawline. So I just apply medium pressure. And I go from my chin to the jawline in the outward direction like this. Again, I, do this 10 to 15 times. And then I kind of divide my cheek area into kind of 3 parts. So I start with a little above my jawline, first like this. And then, I'll do it on the other side. And, coming into the middle part. And now doing at my cheekbone area, going again from in to out. Yeah, ignore the squeaky noise that the roller is making. But otherwise I think it's a great product. Now I tend to do it on my forehead. Just do again a few times here. And I go on the sides from the center of my forehead to my temple. And then next I do, around my mouth from in to out again. Now I'm going to be using the smaller one under my eyes. I use, very, light pressure, not too much, very gentle. And I do it at the edge of my eyes like this a few times. Yep. One thing about the jade roller that I bought from Dollar Tree is that I'm not 100% sure if it is real jade. The way I look at it is as a handy tool that helps in facial massaging, and it does a pretty good job on that. You could put this in the refrigerator and use it cold, and it feels really refreshing to the skin. The fourth step in my morning skincare routine is using a moisturizer. Using a moisturizer is going to give you this additional moistness and hydration to your skin. And I'm going to be using this Dollar Tree product from Bolero, which says concentrated hydrating elixir. Just for the reason that, we are all using Dollar Tree products today. This is something I'm using, and you can see that it kind of has kind of like nice texture to it. I just pumped 2 drops, and I'm just going to again pat this under my eyes and just tap it to my entire face and neck, and then just gently massage to my skin. Another important step as part of my morning skincare routine is applying sunscreen after I apply the moisturizer. I'm not doing that today because I don't use a Dollar Tree product for that, but that's definitely something you need to consider to apply sunscreen before you get out of the house to protect your skin from the harmful rays that's coming from sun. Coming to my nighttime routine, it's pretty much the same as my morning routine, except that I replace some of the products that I use in the morning, like the hyaluronic acid and vitamin C serum with this double strength retinol night serum by Skin Nutritions again. Retinol is something that has proven to help in anti-aging, helps reduce fine lines and wrinkles. And this product particularly doesn't say how much percentage of retinol it has, but experts say that even a small percentage of retinol can help your skin. So, I would continue using this product because I still like the way how it feels on the skin. It keeps moisturized and hydrated. So for that, I will continue to use this product. And it is kind of little watery compared to the other vitamin C serum, but it still nicely absorbs in the skin. So, this will be a great product, if you're looking to try retinol serums, and, this will be definitely a good buy on a budget. And retinol is something that you would normally apply at night time because, when you apply during the day, it can cause, irritation when exposed to sun. Or otherwise, if you if you really want to apply during the daytime, you need to ensure that you're applying sunscreen. Along with the retinol serum, I also use this vitamin E oil that I bought from Dollar Tree. Vitamin E oil is a great antioxidant. It helps in maintaining a healthy and glowing skin. It also helps in, repairing the damaged cells. And the way I use it is, I just do like this on my palm. And, I just take a little bit of the product, apply it under my eyes, and to my entire face, and then, gently massage into my skin. And following that, I use the jade roller to really push the products deep into my skin. The key to skincare is to consistently follow a routine that's going to help you long term on a healthy skin. Hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you have used any of these Dollar Tree products, please leave a comment below. Thank you all so much for watching. See you all next time.